Love yourself like your life depends on it. The War of Art. E²9 do-it-yourself energy experiments that prove your thoughts create your reality. The Miracle Morning, the not-so-obvious secret guarantee to transform your life before 8 a.m. The Subtle Art of Not Giving at F***CK, a counterintuitive approach to living a good life. How to win friends and influence people in the digits. May not have been the first time she shoplifted from sex. Girl, wash your face. The Gifts of Imperfection. Let go of who you think you're supposed to be and embrace who you are. An Invisible Thread. The true story of an 11-year-old panhandler, a busy sales executive, and an unlikely meeting with destiny. The Secret. The 4 Agreements. Getting Things Done. The Art of Stress-Free Productivity. Think and Grow Rich. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.